in this video we will talk about a very difficult problem faced by Singapore student, PSLE student, and they said it was difficult for many students. I want to make sure that they understand it now, and all of the Singapore kids will feel that this question is not difficult as it seems. It's actually an easy question if you do it as per your normal mathematical procedure. And if any of the kids or parents thinks that they require help for their maths kids, I mean math coachings, they can contact me on my this YouTube video by commenting on it, or they can mail me on my email ID vgermany025 @gmail.com. So and don't forget to like and subscribe, that's important, guys. Okay, let's begin this problem. Let's start first by understanding each and every word about it. So what it says Helen and Yvonne has same number of points. They both have the same number of points. Okay, main thing is that you should remember it. Next thing is each of them have 50 cent and 20 cent coins. Okay. Helen had 64 20 cent coins, and Yvonne has 104 20 cent coins. Okay, their coins were different in terms of 20 cents. So obviously 50 cents coins will be different. The total mass of Helen coin was 1.314 kg. Who had more money? How much more did the person have? First we will go about this A part. Then second part, if a 50 cent coin is 2.7 gram heavier than a 20 cent coin, what is the mass of Yvonne's coin in kilograms? Okay, who had the more money? Simple. So they both have the same number of coins, right? As it is written here, they both have the same number of coins, right? If they have the same number of coins and Helen have 64 20 cent coins and Yvonne has 104 20 cent coins, then obviously 50 cent coin with Helen will be more, right? So Helen will be having more money because Ivan is having just 20 cents in ample quantity, whereas Helen is having 50 cent in ample quantity. So obviously Helen will be more. But how much more Helen will have, that's the question. So we will solve it. So how to solve it? First we will let two parts. This is Helen and this is Yvonne. Okay. So let's make it. Let me make it little bit colorful, blue. So what happen is, if they have a 50 cent coin thing and they have a 20 cent coin thing. Okay, how much they have quantity, that we don't know. And Yvonne is also having 50 cent coin and 20 cent coin. But how much they have, that we don't know yet. Now read the question. Helen have had 64 20 cent coins. So I am writing here 64. Yvonne had 104 20 cent coins. So I am writing here 104. Now they don't know about their 50 cents coin. So let me take it as X and this is Y because we don't know how much they are. But we know one thing, that they both have the same number of coins, right? So let's take as it was, X plus 64 is the number of coins Helen have and Y plus 104 they have. They both number of coins will be equal. If we solve this equation, we get that X is actually Y plus 104. We will subtract 64 from both sides. So I get negative 64 this side. I get X equals to Y plus, if we subtract it, we just get 40. So X Helen's 50-cent coins are actually 40 more. So how much money Helen have now? That we will check. So suppose Helen have some Y number of coins and 40 cent more. 50 cent coins, 50 cent coins will make it how much? You know, $20, right? But as you know, 20 cents when they are 64 quantity, how much dollar they will make? Uh, we'll have to check for that because their difference, we need to find their difference. So 64 and 104. So 40 coins are separate here. Difference between their 20-cent coin is also 40-cent coin, but Helen is having 40 coins less of 20 cents. Okay, you know how much money 40 coins will be if they each are of 20 cents. You just need to multiply them. If you multiply them, 4 to the 8, 800. So it's just $8. So if you subtract them, you get $12. It means difference. How much money she is having more? Helen is when compared to Ivan, she is having $12 more, right? Now A part is done. Now comes the B part. B part says if a 50-cent coin is 2.7 gram heavier than the 20-cent coin. So let's do this B part with green color. So if 50-cent coin is 2.7 gram heavier than the 20 cent, now we will talk about the weight. Okay, weight. So 50-cent coin weight will be how much? It will be 2.7 gram more plus the weight of a 20-cent coin. Let weight of 20-cent coin is equals to small m. I'm just as I'm assuming that. So weight of a 50-cent coin will be 2.7 plus m, right? And weight of a 20-cent coin is just m. So now they are saying what is the mass of Ivan's coin in kilogram. So how much mass Ivan is having? So Ivan is having y number of coins as 50 cents. So y times 2.7 plus m, that is the weight of his 50-cent coin, plus a additional weight of 104 coins of 20 cents. That is the weight which we need to find, or I'm just making Ivan coin mass. Okay, I am. So that we don't know, but we know one thing, that Helen coins was total of 1.314 kg. We can write it as 1314 gram also, right? 1000 multiplication. Multiply it with 1000, you get it in grams. 1314. Now, what is the weight of Helen coin? If I take Helen coin weight, that is given 1314. But in actual, how much was it? It is x times the weight of 50-cent coin, 2.7 plus m, and weight of their 64 20-cent coins, right? That is the weight of Helen's coin, right? But what we need to find? Im. This is what we need to find. Now, if you see, we have a situation between x and y. What was that? X plus y is x equals to y plus 40. We can substitute it here so that this equation changed into y. So 1314 is equals to y plus 40. In place of x, I am writing y plus 40. 2.7 times m plus 64m. Now if I open this thing, what I get? Y should be multiplied with this 2.7 plus m thing, and 40 should be multiplied with this 2.7 m thing. plus this 64 extra points. Now you see this part is required as per our this equation. We require it, right? We don't require this part, so we open this part. That is where we need to play cool. 2.7 plus m plus 40 times 2.7. So because of this 0, this point goes off. Now we just need to multiply this 4 with 27. 4 sevens are 28, 8, 2 on the top, right? 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 2, 10. So 108 plus 40 m plus 64 m. Now what we have to do, this 108 is of no use side, we will shift this side. So 1314 minus 108 will go that side in negative, and what we remain here is y times 2.7 plus m. If we add 40m and 64m, we get 104m. That's the beauty of this question. Now if you solve the left side, you subtract 14 minus 8 is just 6, and this thing becomes 0 and 30. So 30 minus 10 is 20. So we get 1206, and on the right side we get y times 2.7 plus m plus 104m. So we come to know that 1206 is actually equals to the Ivan's money weight, because why, see, you can see this, you can match it with it, and it's the same. So Ivan weight is 10126 gram, or in kilogram if you want, so 1.206 kilogram. That is how you can solve this question easily without any if and buts. Hope you understand it. If not, you can pause the video, rewind it, watch it again, and you can comment me if you get any doubt and you get any questions like that. You can just comment me, follow me on my Facebook page, and you can contact me on my Skype. Anything you can do. If you want, you can just put a comment and I am going to reply it. It's so easy, but don't forget to like this video. Hope I made this thing clear to you. I tried to make it as easy possible for you guys. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.